Hello everyone, I am Bhanu Sharma. Now today we are going to learn about the integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Before going to the topic, we should know about the formulas. Some formulas. The formulas for the integrations are so ddx of x to the power n dx is this. So we should remember these formulas for integration. There are many formulas, so these are the basic formula. Okay, so these are the formulas. Okay, integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Here are some formula. Integration of cos nx dx is 1 by n sin nx plus c. So integration of sin nx dx is minus 1 by n cos nx plus c. Integration of e to the power nx dx is 1 by n e to the power nx plus c. Now let us take some examples of finding the antiderivatives. So question is, write the antiderivative of cos 2x. Now first cos 2x comes from sin. पहिला हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो भन्दा ddx of sin x sin 2x is, now first differentiate sin x, this is cos x, again differentiate this is 2, so this will be 2 cos 2x. Now take this quantity, so ddx of, in solution, ddx of sin 2x equals to 2 cos 2x. So cos 2x equals to half ddx of sin 2x. पहिला हामीले डिफरेन्शिएट, यो चाहिँ के को डिफरेन्शिएसन हो भन्दा sin 2x को डिफरेन्शिएसन हो. दिस इज द डिफरेन्शिएसन अफ sin 2x. त्यही भएर हामीले sin 2x लियौं. So this equals to sin 2x, differentiation of sin 2x is first, differentiation of sin x is cos x, again differentiate 2x, so we will get 2, हामीले 2 पाउँछौं, त्यो 2 लाई यहाँ लेख्नु पर्यो. So cos 2x is यो 2 लाई डिनोमिनेटर राइट एन्ड लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड साइड को डिनोमिनेटर ले, so this equals to cos 2x equals to ddx of 1 by 2 sin 2x. Therefore, we can say that antiderivative of cos 2x is this. Antiderivative of cos 2x is 1 by 2 sin 2x. Okay. We can check also. हामी चेक पनि गर्न सक्छौं. Look here, integration of cos 2x dx, this equals to integration of cos nx is 1 by n, so here 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. So this is the antiderivative of cos 2x. So this is the antiderivative of cos 2x. Let's take another example. This method is known as inspection method. Next example is 3x square plus 4x cube. So this is comes from x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4. Now differentiation of x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 is this. So solution, ddx of x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4 equals to 3x square plus 4x cube. So x cube, differentiation of x cube is 3x square, because so ddx of x to the power n is nx n minus 1. So x cube is 3x square. 3x, 3 minus 1 is 2. 4x, 4 minus 1 is 3. So antiderivative of this is this. antiderivative of this is this. Therefore, antiderivative of 3x square plus 4x cube is x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4. These are the example of inspection method. Now let's take some examples of indefinite integral. After that we will start exercise 7.1. Evaluate the following. Question is evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. So question is number 1, it is root under x. Number 2, 1 by x cube. Okay. In solution, first solution number 1. Solution number 1. Integration of root under x dx equals to integration of, so x to the power root x can be written as x to the power half dx plus, so integration of x to the power half is x to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c. So this will be x to the power, now take 2 is LCM. So 2 plus 1 is 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 2 here, by in denominator same 3 by 2 plus c. So this equals to 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. If you differentiate this, you will get this. If you differentiate this, you will get this root x. Now this is example number 1. Now next example is solution number 2, 1 by x cube dx. This equals to, now we have to reciprocate according to the laws of exponent. This equals to x to the power minus 3. So integration of x to the power minus 3 is minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So this will be x to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. So this equals to minus 1 by 2x square plus c. Now this is the answer. Suppose we have a to the power log x suppose we have a to the power log x a to the power 3 log x. This is example number 3. Now अब हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ according to the laws of logarithm, a to the power log x equals to x. A to the power log x equals to x. So यहाँ n log x equals to log x to the power n. So here हामीले यसमा हेर्दाखेरि के दिँदैछ त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ सल्युसनमा integration of a to the power 3 log x dx. This equals to integration of a is a. Now this is log x to the power 3 because n log x is log x to the power n. Here 3 dx. Now this equals to log x to the power 3. So log x, a to the power log x is x. So this equals to x cube only. Integration x cube dx, because a to the power log x is x. Now integrate this x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus c. So this will be x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Okay. These are the simple examples of indefinite integral. From next class I will start the exercise 7.1. Okay. Today this much. Thank you.